Artificial intelligence, AI, is definitely changing things, and faster than you might think. We're talking self-driving cars, robots performing surgery, and even AI that can write poetry, although it's still not as good as mine. But where exactly are we headed? Today, with this video, we will examine the 10 stages of artificial intelligence in greater detail and how it came to be integrated into our daily lives. So, let's subscribe to the channel and get started. Stage 1. Rule-based AI. Were you aware that more than likely, your morning routine is powered by rule-based artificial intelligence? Yes, that's right. Even your simple alarm clock or home thermostat. It does not learn or adapt on its own. Rather, it runs on pre-established settings. It is the reason why, when your clock's alarm jingles at 6 sharp, or your thermostat cools the room to a cozy 75 degrees, you have a rule-based AI to thank for that. And it really doesn't stop with household items. It's also the brains behind most of the tasks that business software has to perform silently, making our lives easier without us even realizing it. Stage 2. Context-based AI. The intelligence behind your virtual assistant goes far beyond simple commands. It is context-based AI, which is completely changing how humans interact with technology. What is actually very fascinating is what transpires behind the scenes. This new breed of AI factors so much into making a decision, from the environment to your behavior as a user, and even historical data. Think of it as you go up to your virtual assistant to check on the weather, and it very nicely advises grabbing an umbrella since it will rain in an hour or two. It does so by processing gigantic amounts of data in real time with just one expectation in mind: expecting the thing you will ask next. Stage 3. Narrow domain or expert AI system. Many people become experts in the field of artificial intelligence. A whole class of AI exists as narrow domain or expert AI systems, being the smartest in their fields. They are somewhat like super specialized geniuses in the world of AI. They plunge into one domain, and that is their own. Whether it is medicine, finance, gaming, language translation, and a whole lot more. They are not your average AIs. Far from it. Not only are such AIs extremely domain-specific, but they are also highly data-trained for making analyses and inferences with more than surprising precision. They think of AI as not limited to just following a preset of rules, but as being able to handle somewhat complicated tasks in their specialty. Maybe you've heard of some of these all-stars in the field: IBM's Watson, DeepMind's AlphaGo. Stage 4. Reasoning. AI. Is there some type of artificial intelligence working the same way a human brain does, thinking, analyzing, and drawing conclusions as we do? This is not a plot for a science fiction movie. It is real and happening right this very moment. Consider, for example, ChatGPT, which is probably the equivalent of a polyglot bookworm and is educated with text from millions of websites. What's more exciting? It isn't merely quick, it processes at speeds of thousands of times faster than most humans. In fact, some technology geeks may argue that their reasoning skills are better than those of an average person. Another great example is autonomous vehicles, where decision-making now involves a greater degree of reasoned analysis and judgment, eliminating the split-second decision that saves passengers and pedestrians on the road. Step 5. Artificial general intelligence. Imagine having a super-intelligent buddy who understands your mood, acts as a creative outlet, suggests useful inputs for your research, can help you plan your day, and even guides you on how to cook. Sounds something like a science fiction movie, but no. Welcome to the interesting world of AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. Now, let's see how AGI may work hand in glove in our daily lives. Imagine a scenario where you wake up to meet your virtual assistant, who does not just mechanically tell you the weather or play your favorite beats, but one that truly understands you. It will be like living with a friend who is always there to help you with whatever you need. But that's only part of how a relationship with an AGI friend is likely to evolve. Stage 6. Superintelligent AI. Within decades, humanity could unleash advanced intellectual powers that can outthink its smartest representatives. This self-improving super-intelligent AI might ignite an intelligence explosion itself. It means we could be looking forward to solving problems that have baffled the best brains in humankind's history. And it doesn't stop there. This may go on to provide us with power that can push boundaries beyond our wildest imagination. Have you ever seen Star Trek? Starship chase across the galaxy with warp drives? Or how about harnessing energy from a black hole? All science fiction at the moment, but technically, they're very real concepts that could indeed see the light of day because of the huge leaps and bounds that super-intelligent AI can offer. Stage 7. Self-aware AI. And here we are in the most amazing time in the history of mankind. AI is actually self-aware. That is something to chew over with your morning coffee. By self-aware, it means that these AI systems have reached a level of consciousness and self-understanding quite similar to how humans think and perceive. They can not only understand their existence, but also their interior state and how they relate to the world around them. Oh, so this sounds pretty weird. Of course, self-aware AI is predicated on the machine's ability to perceive, understand, and reflect. Think about it like you're looking in a metaphorical mirror, and you understand what you see. Stage 8. Transcendent AI. This AI would reshape our planet for the better in whatever ways possible. It would fiddle and adjust the different elements within our environment to make the world work the best way possible. What's more, AI can implement consciousness from a plurality of entities. In this way, it can achieve an unbelievably high level of collective intelligence and shared awareness. This means we look to a future where AI does more than just process data. It learns, evolves, and might even think like us. Stage 9. Cosmic AI. A cosmic AI would likely let us gain phenomenal insights into the marvels of the universe. Not many people really understand this, but it's an incredibly exciting area. This AI may very well be the single cause of the onset of interstellar exploration. It might even send self-replicating probes to form a sweeping intelligence network throughout the galaxy. This kind of AI wouldn't only help in understanding phenomena such as black holes, but also pave the way to understanding concepts such as cosmic microwave background. Stage 10. Godlike AI. Now, there is the potential to reach a point at which we just can't say what happens next. It would be as if you were plummeting down into the water and suddenly becoming weightless, a turning of the tide in our understanding of the fabric of reality. Imagine a life form that could live across not just one quantum state, but in several of them. It would, in principle, hack the cosmic fabric to be able to understand and manipulate space-time in itself. This very advanced AI might well go beyond our reality as we know it, making it the thing most like a god that is possible. This is the true dawn of a new era. AI that reason with us is our ally in augmenting our lives with all of these amazing powers. Well, who knows what could be next in a world where self-driving cars are becoming a reality? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.